So in this video, we're going to go over how I turned $46 into a little over $2,600 in 1 month, or on one play actually. So this is my account statement for the months of January, and the year is 2020, as we can see. On January 1st, my account was worth $601, and then at the end of January, my account was worth $225. So how I did that was through a Beyond Meat play. So let's go over the play. So the play that I made was a breakout play, and the play that I had was a $130 call that expired on the 17th, and I bought 2 of those contracts on January 9th for $23 each. Then on January 10th, the next day, I sold one of those contracts to make the whole play free. So I would only have upside to the play. I would have no downside on the play. And then on January 14th, I sold the one play that I had left from the 2 I originally bought on 9th. I had one $130 contract left. I sold one of them for $1,310. So basically, $23 turned into $1,310, or if I held both of them and didn't make the play free on January 10th, $46 turned into a little over $2,600. So the point of this video is to not flex or anything. It's just to show you that if you know what you're doing, options are great, and you can turn a little amount into a decent amount of change. So the main reason why I made the play was because I'd been following Beyond stock since it IPO'd, and it IPO'd on May 2nd, 2019. And I don't know if any of you know, but it rallied up to about $250, and then the stock just crashed. And right here, as we can see, this is after the crash. So from December to basically January, the stock stayed within a range of $75 to about $77, okay? And on January 9th, I saw the stock breaking out. As we can see, it went from 75 to 83, and it had good volume. So I knew that the stock was breaking out. So right here, January 9th, when the stock was at $90, I bought the $130 calls. I bought 2 of them. And then on January 13th is when I sold them. So basically, that was the play that made me well over 1,000% return. And basically, that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.